California Trucking Show 2022. Here we go. Little preview.
And I don't remember what the beers are, but I think a couple years ago, somebody bought me one, and they bought like 2 beers, and it was like $40-some.
Yeah, right.
Is that 2 beers and some chips or something?
Don't mess around with beer. Just get the big margarita.
That's because it's really good. No, I don't. Those margaritas are gross.
Hey, your freaking hay is all over the place, man.
Oh, I'm gonna wait till tomorrow.
Okay, so we need a broom, a conveyor.
A broom, a conveyor, this. I need to kind of find a roof. For the house. That's what I had.
Little advertisement for GardenTrucking.com. Lots of equipment this year. And we got a lot more coming tomorrow and Sunday.
I want to do more of these.
You should do it every weekend.
Well, you're like, wait till
June in Texas, this is Houston, and then
That's a long way.
then Austin, I think, is in, or Dallas is in.
Don't have a lot of space, but plenty. Plenty to have fun with.
1,000 miles from Arizona. And the Dallas show was like 4 or 5 times.
This bad boy's for sale.
Now, what kind of space do you usually get?
Texas is probably huge.
That's what I'm
Well,
wondering.
the Texas show, it's the same deal as I have here. They give us whatever's left over.
I got you.
So, but there where they're doing it